Hinduism and Buddhism both have practices that are similar to meditation. Meditation helps you focus and gain insight into your thinking. 1. Select a serene, calm setting. It is best to meditate in a calm environment. You can avoid extraneous stimuli and distractions and concentrate solely on the subject at hand in a calm setting. Whether your meditation lasts 5 minutes or 30, choose a location where you won't be disturbed. The area does not have to be particularly big. As long as you have privacy, you can meditate in a walk-in closet or even outside on a bench. 2. Put on relaxed clothing. Calming the mind and blocking out outside distractions are two of meditation's main objectives. 4. If you have physical discomfort as a result of wearing constrictive or tight clothing, this may be challenging. 3. Set a time limit for your meditation session. You should decide how long you will meditate before starting. Many seasoned meditators advise 20-minute sessions twice daily, although beginners can begin with just 5 minutes once a day. 4. Stretching before you begin will help you avoid stiffness. It's crucial to let go of any stress or tightness before you start meditation because it typically involves sitting still for an extended length of time. Light stretching for a few minutes can help your body and mind get ready for meditation. Additionally, it will stop you from unwinding instead of concentrating on any hurting regions. 5. Make yourself comfortable and sit. Finding the most comfortable position for you when meditating is crucial, so do your research. Traditional meditation involves sitting on a cushion on the ground in either a lotus position or a half-lotus position. If your legs, hips, or lower back are not flexible, however, this position may be difficult for you. You need to select a position that enables you to sit upright, tall, and in balance. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.